Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments to check out this video today. And as you can see, our subject is make more than bill money. Well, you know, making bill money is great, but there's something that I call abundant life-changing income, and that's where we want to get to. And the question is are you ready? Okay, are you ready to get paid? All right, so stay with me for the next couple of minutes. And before we get into all of that, I've got a powerful power thought that I want to share with you before we go any further. Okay, so hang in there with me for the next couple of minutes. Okay, so I want to share this power thought with you really quickly. You know, a few years ago, I got into the study of self-leadership. Okay, and these are some of the beginning thoughts that I had put in a paper that I was writing on self-leadership. And the first thought is this: look, nothing changes until something changes. Think about that just for a second. Okay, nothing changes until something changes. And what I realized, that I needed some changes in my life, and if I was going to make something positive happen, guess what? I had to do it. And so for me, the something to change was me. Okay, now Ken Blanchard. Okay, now Ken Blanchard, what an amazing guy. He's probably in his 80s now, late 80s, but he's an author, you know, business professional. He's a business consultant, a motivational speaker, and has written over 70 books, y'all. 70 books. Okay, wrote the 1 Minute Manager and self-leadership. Matter of fact, he inspired me to begin to look at the subject of self-leadership. Okay, and he said, the biggest inhibitor to change lies within yourself, and nothing gets better until you change. Oh, my. How powerful that is, okay? Now, look, when we talk about self-leadership, we are definitely talking about positively changing our lives to make a significant difference in our own lives and in the lives of those around us. And when we help other people change their lives, a lot of times it is by default. Because once you start positively changing your life, those that continue to hang around you, okay, they're going to want to positively change their lives as well. And those that don't, guess what? They'll kind of fade away into the sunset. You get my point. All right, let's go on. Okay, how to make $200 plus per day. Now we want to go beyond bill money into the abundant life-changing income. Okay, and as you can see down here, look down here for me. It says get ready to tap into the ultimate money making machine. Wow. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, again, get ready to tap into the ultimate money-making machine. And so we start with Easy 20 Now, okay? Get started today. Purchase your fully automated mini site, okay? The mini site package for only $20, okay? It's low cost and very powerful, okay? Now, number 2, complete your mini site setup for just $9.95. Now, with my first opportunity, you are in business for a one-time out-of-pocket cost of $29.95 or $30. And that's $30 one time out of pocket. Okay, that's it. So you share your site, showcase your site to millions of people online who are seeking simple and affordable ways to make money. Okay, now imagine this, and we got to think big, dream big, and use our imagination. Okay, because the imagination is powerful. Okay, now imagine opening your email to countless notifications of payment received, messages from people all across the internet. Visualize the excitement, of 20, 160, and even 360 payments roll in daily to your PayPal or Cash App account. Okay, well, the wife popped her head in the door, and so I got off for a minute. Hopefully I'm back on track. Okay, so I wanted to go here and talk about dreaming big. And, you know, that's something that I learned to do. I learned to become a big dreamer. All right. And so, and a lot of times when it comes to dreaming about things that you want, you know, the dream has got to be huge. Okay. Because you may not reach, you know, the dream that you have, but if you dream big enough, guess what? You're going to get a lot of it. Okay. And so that's the way I believe in dreaming. So it says here, what if you could get 1 million people to send you $20 each? That's a staggering $20 million. What if that could happen? All right. Don't be afraid to dream. Okay. Even reaching half that amount would mean $10 million coming your way. Isn't it worth it to dream, to get involved in a business that has that kind of potential? Absolutely. Look, the potential income is virtually unlimited and depends on how much effort you put into this program. Earn $20 per sale daily with no caps. New users can make a conservative $160 to $640 plus per week. And, you know, that's when you get going and you start getting a foothold, and you start putting up maybe some videos. You don't have to do videos, but you've got, what do we have? We have YouTube, we have Facebook, we have Instagram, we have TikTok, all kinds of places where you can share this opportunity, just to give you some thoughts. Okay. All right, let's move forward, and we're almost done. Okay, so I want to get back into this now, because there's a lot of movement going on in my house. So if there's going to be some extra noise, please, you know, forgive that. But the other opportunity I want to share is Nexus Rewards. Okay, and this is a bird's eye view. This is the very short version. And I will leave a link for both of my programs, both of my main programs, in the description area of this video. Be sure to check them out. You know, if you're seriously looking for a business opportunity, give this some serious consideration. Okay. And, you know, work with me, and we'll build something incredible with these programs. Okay. Nexus Rewards. Look at this. Earn multiple $25 payments daily. Residual income. Also, with our powerful referral rewards program, you can start seeing money flow in as soon as you get started. And the best part, this is just the beginning. Save money on the things you're already buying: gas, groceries, dining out, travel, the list goes on. Start saving today on things you're already spending money on, online and offline. And I take a pause for the calls and say this, that, you know, you can do one of these business opportunities, or you can do them both. It will cost you less than $100 to get in both of them. Okay. Now, if you look here, the world's most lucrative $10 program. That's what we're calling this program. Yes, you read that right. For only $9.95 a month, $40 one time out of pocket setup fee, you can unlock a world of savings, cashback, and a rewarding referral system that lets you earn on autopilot. But wait, there's more. Nexus Rewards is the plan that works. Okay. We've made it simple. Get the plan, work the plan, and watch it work for you. Whether you're looking for fast start money or a long-term sustainable income, this program has got you covered. Nexus Rewards isn't just about making money. It's about transforming your lifestyle, reaching your financial goals, and turning your dreams into reality. And with our $25 fast start money and up to 100% check match, you can start seeing results right away. Also, join the Global Travel Club. Now, let me just say this. When you become a premium member with Nexus Rewards, you're already a travel club member. Okay. powerful. Think about it. You come in for $40 one time out of pocket, and then $9.95 a month, and you become a part of the travel club as well. And we've partnered with one of the best travel club programs in the entire world. So we've got some crazy things, amazing things going on here. Okay, look, get exclusive access to discounts and deals and save up to 90% on travel. This is more than a business. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Okay, so again, I just want to take a few moments to say thank you. If you checked this video out, you stayed and you've listened to everything, I truly do appreciate it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and close out now. There's a lot of noise outside of my office, and so family's here, and sometimes they're a little bit distracting when you're trying to do a video. So I think I probably need to soundproof my room. That way it will not get me so distracted. But nonetheless, again, thank you so much. Check out the websites in the description area of this video, and make sure you check things out if you are serious about growing a business, building a business online. And I'm also offering a free get started coaching session with you if you would desire something like that. But there you have it. I'm Terry Brown, wishing you a blessed and amazing day today. Bye bye now.